Hello everybody, my name is Naida and welcome to my channel. Today I will be cooking eggplant patties. So our main ingredients is the eggplant. So what you're gonna do is you slice this up. It's already washed and clean. Slice it like cubes sizes. I'm making noise. And I have a boiling water over here. You add it to a boiling water. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna boil it until it gets very soft, and I will show it later on how you do it, but first we're gonna cut this up. So you can eat this like you're eating a hamburger, but it's actually an eggplant, or you can eat it with rice. So any way you like it. So what you're gonna do now is you put the lid on the top and you just wait until it gets soft. So we're gonna need some green onions. Later on we're gonna add this to our eggplant. It doesn't matter how much green onions you want, but I like mine with a little bit more of green onion. So that's how much I would like for mine, but it is really up to you how much you would like for your eggplant, but I will show it to you later on how to mix it up. So we have the eggplant. It's boiling right now, and we have this green onion, and we have 1 teaspoon of garlic. You can also use fresh garlic. 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So and then we're gonna need some cooking oil later on, because after this eggplant gets soft and we smush it up and we combine all the ingredients, we're gonna shape it to a circle like you would do in hamburger. Okay, so I will show you guys later on when the eggplant is done. So I will leave it like this for now, and I will show you on the next video. Okay, thank you guys, have a wonderful day.